Hi, it's Daisy from Crafty to Happy. I am going to walk you guys through how I made my rainbow wreath with dye coffee filters. So let's get started. All right, so this is the rainbow wreath that we are gonna make. Now, in order to do this, you need to first dye your coffee filters beforehand. I'm gonna just show photos in the next couple steps to show you what to do. You will also need this white foam board. I get mine at the Dollar Tree. It's cheaper, $1 there. You can also use cardboard. But basically all you do is cut out a shape of a D. Okay, we're not done with the supplies yet. You're also gonna need an exacto knife. This is what you're gonna use to cut out your foam D. Glue sticks, a glue gun, and I like to use a crayola marker because it has a fat tip, and that's how I'm gonna reduce the amount of time I spend on this project. Okay, so what you want to get are these icing colors. They're traditionally used for cookie icing, and you can find them at a local craft store. I found the big ones at Walmart for $1.75. And basically here are all the colors and the coffee filters that they made. So here we've mixed 2 cups of hot water with 1 teaspoon of our icing color, and we're basically going to put it in a low dish, and then we split our coffee filters into about half of a stack. They come in stacks of 3. We split that, and then you dye it and let the color work its way up. Move it onto an either parchment or wax paper lined baking sheet and let it dry for 48 hours. Repeat for all your colors. So here is the D base that you are essentially gonna attach your filters to. If you look at it, it looks like a block letter D. From the left side of the rainbow, right there, to the right side of the rainbow, it's about 15 inches. Okay, so to glue your filter, lay it out, put your marker right in the middle, and you want to fluff it up right around it, and then carefully flip it upside down. See that flat part right there? That's where I'm going to apply my glue gun glue, just a little bit, and then just attach it straight to your foam board. You can hold it there for a few seconds. When you apply the next one, you want to make sure that it is right next to it. You want to work from the top of the rainbow, starting at red, and then work your way down through orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and then I usually do the clouds last. Guys, thank you so much for sticking around. I hope you guys have a great time making a wonderful rainbow wreath or rainbow decor for your house.